Hello sir, how are you? We are extremely sorry. We made a lot of delay in showing you the progress, but that was not intentional. Actually, we have to deal with so many issues. We got the kit very late. The college people got us the kit very late, and after that we have many project reviews and seminars and all as a part of our coursework, and we have some exams. We've had some exams, so because of all those issues, we made some delay, and it took us a lot of time to set up the Mini 2440, like installing the OS and getting acquainted with the compiler, building the files, and writing the programs and all. So we're sorry we made some delay, but I think we have had some progress in it. So let me show you. Let me first tell you how we install the OS into Mini 2440. You have to download some files initially. We have to download the USB drivers for the system to recognize the Mini 2440. A bootloader, the Z images, and the kernel.
Yeah.
So we have already downloaded all this. I have my Mini 2440. We have already downloaded these files, and after that we have to install the USB drivers. Once we install the USB drivers, the system will recognize the Mini 2440. There are two modes of operation in Mini 2440. One is the S2 mode and one is the NOR mode. While giving commands to the Mini 2440, we have to operate it in the NOR mode. Then we have to open the DNW tool. We have to open the DNW tool, and we have to connect the serial port, which we have already done. And then once we switch on the system, it'll show USB OK, so that even the USB port is connected. Next we have to enter the commands. Like initially we have to format the NAND flash and format the NAND flash. We have to enter the command X, and then we have to install the bootloader, which is Super VV, and
Kernel.
We just have to enter the commands over here, and next the kernel, and then the images, the Qtopia image. These are the ones: the bootloader, the Z image, and the rootY images. We have already done it, so let me show you how we have the OS in the S2 mode. So this is of the desktop of the Mini 2440 looks. We have some pre-installed applications in this, some games and settings. That's it. So these are the tabs: applications tab, friendly arm tab, games tab, settings, and documents. That's it. We don't have anything else. So after we install
Our apps,
we'll have one more tab over here. So let me tell you how we did it. First we have installed a virtual
Linux.
We have installed a virtual Linux onto the system.
Wanted.
So after we start the Linux, we'll open the terminal, and we have downloaded first of all to write a program, to write an application and install it into the Mini 2440. We have to
quick notes. Mini 2440.
we have downloaded we have downloaded the Linux GCC, which is the cross compiler, ARM Qtopia, which we use for designing the user interface and all. And after that we have done some,
made a few notes.
We made a few quick notes. So first let me show you how it works, how it all works. First we need to install the libraries for the Mini 2440
from the Ubuntu server.
We have already downloaded them, so it will take a couple of it will take hardly 1 minute. So it is downloading, so it will take hardly some 5 minutes time.
42%.
After we download that, we have to download the
cross compiler,
and we have to install the cross compiler too. I've downloaded the cross compiler onto my
downloads folder.
Compiler is in my downloads folder. So
have to go to the directory.
So we can extract it, and it will. We have to.
No. That is wrong.
Install it.
CD. That is wrong. No. CD.
Okay.
You have to go to the directory. CD.
We have to go to the directory. Downloads.
Now
after this, we have to extract and install the cross compiler, ARM Linux cross compiler, which we have already downloaded to our downloads. So
we're going to do that.
Just press enter. It will
install the cross compiler. It will finish off.
It will take some time.
Qtopia will take longer.
We are done with it, and next we have to
install Qtopia.
Which we have already downloaded. This might take some time, so let's skip this part. It will take some 20 to 25 minutes. So let's skip that part. After we install the ARM Qtopia, this is how it will look like, and this is how it will look like. So we have written two simple programs. One is for displaying a hello application, and one is for the LEDs to play with, to control the 4 LEDs which are given on the board. So let me show you how we do it. To control these four applications, these four LEDs which are present on the Mini 2440 board. So let's start with the
Hello application.
After we
First we write the program.
C program and make file.
This is a program that we wrote.
Program that we wrote, like the message which we want to display when we click the hello button on it. So let's not change. We have already written a college name. And after that we have to create a user interface for it. When we install Qtopia, we have something called the Qtopia designer. So let's open the Qtopia designer. Looks like there is some problem with the screen resolution, so let's minimize this. Qtopia designer, file, open, and this is the one which we wrote. We can edit the text whatever we want on it. Let's say like this or something like that.
Leave it. Let it be click me.
It'll I won't change. Save it. So it will show the text and the space where the text has to be entered. So we can choose the space where the entered text we want to display the entered text.
How to add a button?
This is how, and we can add buttons like whatever maybe the number of buttons we want, we can add, and that comes over here. So we have already done this, so let's not make any changes to it.
It's next.
So after that we'll have to create compile and create a build file for this. We have to after that we have to go to the home directory where we copied the file. Hello. So
it is in
ARM Qtopia. So let's go to the
CD space ARM Qtopia
Qtopia
/hello
/hello
enter.
So we are in the hello directory now.
Build.
So we have to build this file. So dot slash build that's it. So that will create the build file and the desktop file. So now we have to transfer these two files to the Mini 2440, which we can do through the either through the Ethernet cable or through the USB. Since we have a USB slot, let me use the USB. Similarly, we have created for the LED controls also. We wrote the how many push buttons we need, and the slots, and the number of LEDs which the code for each LED, 010 which stands for on, and 000 which is for off, and everything. So after the code, similarly the user interface for the LED players also. So let me first open this up.
Minimize the background.
This is how it will look on it. We can the similar way how we wrote it for the hello application. We have LED on, off, and an LED player which will set the time for the to make the LEDs dance actually. So that is how it works. So let's not make any changes to this. So after that, similarly, we have to create a build file. For that also. We are in the directory now.
Build.
Now we can build this. After that, we similarly, after it's built, we have the same binary file and the desktop file. So let me copy these two to a pen drive. And similarly from the
hello
application also.
That's it.
So that is how it works. So let me copy these files into the Mini 2440 now. Yeah, the USB is detected. Let me go to the file browser, udisk, untitled folder.
Bin file.
The Kitopia binary files and
Paste.
we can
click చేసి పెట్టు వస్తుంది పేస్ట్ అని అక్కడ కాదు నార్మల్గా క్లిక్ చేసి పెట్టు అక్కడ నార్మల్గా క్లిక్ చేసి పేస్ట్.
Yeah, we are done. Hello. Similarly, let me copy.
Show back focus point back hello మళ్ళీ హలో ఫైల్ చూపి.
Yeah, we have the hello file now. This is the desktop file. Sorry, the binary file.
Copy even the LED.
Let me copy the LED file and to the Kitopia binary files, paste. ఇది రాలేదు,
కాపీ చేయలేదు. Copy.
Yeah, we have the LED file now, both the binary files and
Now for the desktop.
Now for the desktop files.
Select both of the method handle.
Hello desktop file, copy and paste it in the Qtopia. We have to create a new tab, so let me write a name for that. So let me create a new tab, new folder which appears as a tab on the desktop. So let me name it my apps. Okay, okay, now let me also copy the desktop files.
Okay, it's okay, go.
I've already done the LED one, so hello.desktop and LED.desktop. So you have the desktop files which give the user interface, and now
permissions. Permissions వచ్చాయి ఇప్పుడు రాదు, అది ప్లే అవ్వదు. పర్మిషన్స్ వచ్చాయి, క్లోజ్ పర్మిషన్స్ వచ్చాయి.
దేంటిది
పర్మిషన్ సెట్ చేస్తే ఆటోమేటిక్ వస్తుంది పోయి అక్కడ.
అది కాదు, అదేంటని చూస్తాను. సో ఆఫ్టర్ వీ డూ దట్, the Mini 24401 directly detect the files. We have to set permissions to it. So let me set the permissions to it. Let me restart the system, and that is loading the image of the Linux. So
where we have placed, we have to open the
we have to open the directory with where we place the files. So that will be OPT. That will be OPT
CD space
OPT slash
capital T
Qtopia slash
bin
slash bin slash hello.
And that's it. Open it, slash open it.
So that will open that folder. Now we have to set permission to that.
Change mod CS mod.
So we have to change the mod
mod A plus X
space A plus
space LED
plus X space
LED
slash. So that will give the permission, and now after that change mod space A plus X space hello. That's it. Now we have set the permissions, so now we can restart this system. ఆటోలో పెట్టేస్తుంది ఫోకస్
చూసుకొని అవన్నీ చేంజ్ చేస్తాను.
Yeah.
You can see a new folder.
Now we have this new tab which we don't have earlier. After we created this, we have this new tab with named My Apps, which we have created, and we have two applications installed in it, which we just transferred. The first one is Hello application. This is very simple one. Just click me, it shows Hello BVR80. That's it. That's a small app just to get acquainted with the system. And now we have LED control.
Stop LED.
Yeah. Now you can actually see the 4 LEDs not blinking. You can actually switch on each LED. Click on LED 1 on, the LED 1 is on, LED 2 on, LED 2 is on, LED 3 on, LED 3 is on, and LED 4 on, LED 4 is on. And you can switch them off as well. Just click on LED off, and you can start the LED player, which makes the LEDs blink using some time delay. So start LED. So that will give it a time delay, and click on this again. It will glow much faster. The time delay is decreased. It will glow much faster with each click. So you can actually stop it wherever you want and control them. Control the LEDs. LED 3 off, 4 off, on, 3 on, 4 on. That's it. So these are the two applications which we made. Like you asked us to control the LEDs which are present on the board. So we made that, and a simple Hello application. Also we are trying to interface this temperature sensor to the board using the general purpose IO ports. Let me show you the schematic.
Downloads control there. Downloads manual. This isn't a manual schematics.
So we have the data sheet,
Schematics.
the schematics actually. So let me download it.
Okay.
So we have the schematics of the general purpose IO ports over here. These are the general purpose IO ports present on the Mini 2440 board. Mini 2440 board. These are the GPIO pins. So the first one is power supply, 5 volts power supply. The second one is ground, and below that are the input pins. The first one, the third one, the fifth pin actually is connected to a twist resistor, so we won't be able to use it. So what we did is we bought a female pin connector, and we cut it, and we fabricated it to this. So it's quite difficult, but we can pin this into this. So actually we need to install the
kernel.
We need to install the kernel with GPIO pins to be able to work with it, which we have to download, and which we have to use the cross compiler again, and which we have to do it. So we're still working on it, but we wrote a program for the ADC. Yeah, this is how it is.
ADC test.
This is the ADC test program. But we have some issues working. We have some issues working with the
ADC program.
Temperature sensor yet. So we are done with the program, but we have to build that file as well, and
Kernel.
we need to install the kernel first of all, and we need to set up the kernel which can access the GPIO ports as well. So we're still working on it, but controlling the LED players is completed. Like we are done with the LED player part. So that's it.